Good morning, dear students. Now today we will discuss some short answer questions. First question: number of covalent bonds in C6H14. Right? This question is written in short. How many covalent bonds are present in C6H14? Right, children? What is the first step? First of all, write down bonding structure. It means structural formula of any given molecule for the correct answer. Right? Molecular formula is C6H14. This is the structural formula. Bonding structure, which is showing total number of chemical bonds in the given molecular formula. Right? C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms are present and 14 hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 hydrogen atoms are present. Right? This is the first step. Second step, then count the total number of chemical bonds. If you wish, you can count 2 types of chemical bonds. In any organic compounds, how many types of covalent bonds are present? 2 types. First, covalent bond between carbon and carbon atoms. And second type of covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen. Okay, children? Now first, total number of covalent bonds or chemical bonds between carbon-carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon-carbon single bonds are present? 5. Second, carbon-hydrogen bond or carbon-hydrogen covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 carbon-hydrogen covalent bonds are present. Then total number of covalent bonds in C16H14 is equal to 19 covalent bonds. Right? Second question, second one, state one reason for placing magnesium and calcium in the same group in the model periodic table. Right? Only important part is written here. What is the position of calcium and magnesium in the model periodic table? Second group. What is the reason that both elements are placed in the same group in the model periodic table? Children, answer is based on number of valence electrons. And number of valence electrons is based on atomic number. Right? Then first step is write correct atomic number of each element, then electronic configuration, then find out the number of valence electrons. Electrons in the outermost orbit in each atom, right, of the given elements. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. Then how many valence electrons are present in each case? 2 valence electrons are present. Then what is the group number of each element? Second. Both elements are placed in second group of the modern periodic table. This is the advantage of modern periodic table. Knowing electronic configuration or valence electrons, we can predict the group number of any element. Okay, children? Third question, 2 solutions, right, which are X and Y, are tested with universal indicator. What is universal indicator? pH solution. Single solution is required for testing of different samples, right? Acidic, basic and neutral solution. Single pH solution, which is also known as universal indicator. Solution X shows orange color and Y red color. Then which of the solutions is a stronger acid? Children, I am showing pH indicator. pH indicator with the different shades. This is pH indicator. Different values are written here from 1 to 14. Right? What is the shade of 3 pH value? Orange. and 1 pH value pink color, right? Pink or red color. Orange color is shown by weak acid, like any organic acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid also. Any weak acid shows orange color using pH paper or universal indicator. And strong acid from pink to red color, right? Pink to red color where pH value is 1, and for orange color pH value is 3. Then which one is stronger? Y is stronger than X. This acid is stronger than X acid, right? Two shades are written here, either red or pink shade. Next one, fresh milk pH is 6. This question is written in short, right? Important part is written. What is the pH of fresh milk sample? 6.0. It means only 6. 6.0. When it changes to curd, then change in pH value, then predict its pH value. What is interrogative sign? Then predict its pH value. Right? pH of fresh milk sample is given, which is exactly 6. Right? Very close to neutral behavior. Right? pH value of neutral solution is 7. Right? This midpoint of pH scale, but this is pH indicator 7. Right? 6 to 7, it means very close to neutral behavior, exactly 7.0, the neutral solution, right? But here what is given? Change in pH from milk to curd, and milk pH is given. Children, main component of curd is lactic acid, and lactic acid is acidic in nature. Then pH value decreases below 6, right? And pH value decreases when milk changes to curd. Okay, children? Due to the presence of acidic component, which is lactic acid, right? Oxalic acid in guava, but lactic acid in curd, and citric acid in lemon, right? Each one is organic acid and each one is weak acid. Last one. How does the metallic character of elements vary on moving from left to right? It means period. In the modern periodic table, and second direction from top to bottom. What is the direction of movement? Top to bottom, which indicates group in the modern periodic table. Right? This arrow is showing direction of movement from left to right. Right? Second from top to bottom. What is the direction of head of an arrow? Right hand side in this case. In this case, bottom. Then change in metallic behavior or electropositive character of elements. Now children, according to this direction from left to right, what is the change in atomic radii? Atomic radii always decrease from left to right in the modern periodic table. It means across a period. Metallic character or electropositive character depends on atomic size or atomic radius. Right? As atomic radius or atomic size decreases, metallic character also decreases. Why? Because electron losing tendency decreases. Right? For example, lithium. Lithium in left hand side group, which is group 1, and fluorine in right hand side group, which is group 17. Right? Which element is metallic or most electropositive? Lithium. Which element is non-metallic or most electronegative? Fluorine. Right? This is the direction of movement in the periodic table, it means across the period from left to right, metallic character decreases because atomic size decreases or force of attraction increases. Force of attraction between valence electron and protons or nucleus, right? This increasing effective charge or decreasing atomic size decreases the metallic character. Same character increases from top to bottom. What is the reason? This trend is just opposite of this one. From left to right, atomic size decreases. From top to bottom, atomic size increases because radius increases. This distance increases. This is called atomic radius. And increasing atomic size or atomic radius increases the electron losing tendency or electropositivity or electropositive character, like in first element. Although hydrogen is first element in the first group, but hydrogen shows dual properties, right? Then after hydrogen, next element is lithium in first group. And bottommost element is francium. Francium is radioactive, unstable element. Before francium, which element is placed? Cesium, Cs. And below hydrogen, which element is placed? Lithium. Then comparison of metallic character of lithium and cesium in first group. Which element is most electropositive? Cesium. Right? What is the reason? Atomic radius. As atomic radius increases, atomic size increases, electron losing tendency increases. Like this. This is showing electron losing tendency. Okay, children? And this is called metallic character. Any metal, what is the strong tendency of any metallic atom? To lose its valence electrons. Right? This increasing tendency, electron losing tendency increases the metallic character of any element. Okay, children? This part, each question is very